Every single piece of plastic we have ever used is still on Earth today, either in the landfill, the ground, or the ocean. Experts estimate it would take hundreds of years for it to go away. However, if we can make little changes to our habits, we can reduce more plastic pollution. Can you spot all the single-use plastic items? Here are 8 tips to reduce your single-use plastic waste in the kitchen. Number 1, food packaging. Hong Kong supermarkets love to wrap food in plastic. You can vote with your money by choosing to buy loose fruits and vegetables or by buying them from the wet market. Refuse new plastic bags, reuse your old ones, or use reusable ones. Have you ever shopped at a bulk store? They are an excellent way to reduce plastic packaging. You can bring your own containers and fill up nuts, cookies, pasta, and many more. What to do when you don't have a choice and the ingredient you need comes in plastic packaging? Choose the sturdiest one, preferably with Ziploc, and reuse that to store other food items.
I know the next one.
Oh, hello.
Number 2, Ziploc bags. I pack myself snacks for school in a Ziploc plastic bag, and I always bring it home, even when it's dirty, because it can be washed with soap and used over and over.
And what if it breaks?
Well, then I take it to the government green stations for recycling. There are 22 stations in 18 districts, and if you bring in enough recycling waste, you can earn points and exchange them for gifts.
Thank you. I did not know that. An alternative to Ziploc bags is to reuse your empty glass food containers. Wash them, and they'll be perfect to store your food in. Alternatively, you can invest in some silicone zip bags. Number 3, cling film. Cling film is a single-use plastic that is often difficult to clean, therefore rarely recycled but can easily be avoided. To replace it, you can use plates to cover bowls, reusable glass or plastic containers. You can also use beeswax wrap or silicone covers. Tap water in Hong Kong is actually safe to drink, but the problem could reside in your building's internal plumbing system. One solution is to invest in a water filter. If that's too expensive for you, you can boil water and let it cool down. That's actually what many restaurants do when you ask for tap water. Number 5, tea bags. Did you know that in order for the tea bags to seal up and keep their shape in hot liquid, a plastic polymer, namely polypropylene, must be added? Next time, opt for loose leaves or tea bags with a biodegradable label.
I have one more tip.
Go ahead.
Number 6, cleaning products. When shopping for cleaning products, choose the larger sizes to avoid small bottles packaging. For example, you can buy a big dish detergent bottle and then pour it into a smaller recycled bottle.
Good one. You also have the option to refill your detergent bottles at some supermarkets and zero-waste stores. Or why not make your own natural cleaning products? It's really easy, you get less exposure to harmful toxins, and you would eliminate the need for multiple plastic bottles. Number 7, plastic sponges. The classic yellow and green kitchen sponges are also made of plastic. As you replace them many times in a year, opt for sponges made of natural fibers, like the cellulose or loofah sponge. Number 8, beverage cartons. Be aware that beverage cartons are made of plastic as well. Tetra Pak are layers of paper, plastic, foil, all fused together, and is hard to recycle. Try to reduce your consumption and bring your cartons to a green recycling station. When you have a choice, choose wisely.